Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Yash Nature Resort, Maldives. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Dhaalu Atoll, Yash Nature Resort, Maldives features a garden, bar, private beach area, and free Wi-Fi. The property provides free shuttle service, room service and currency exchange for guests. At the resort, all rooms come with air conditioning, a seating area, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a safety deposit box and a private bathroom with a bidet, free toiletries and a hairdryer. The rooms are equipped with an electric teapot, while selected rooms will provide you with a terrace and others also have sea views. At Yash Nature Resort, Maldives, all rooms have bed linen and towels. The daily breakfast offers buffet, continental or full English, Irish options. At the accommodation you'll find a restaurant serving American, Chinese and British cuisine. Vegetarian, vegan and dairy-free options can also be requested. You can play pool, ping pong, and darts at Yash Nature Resort, Maldives. The resort provides an ironing service, as well as business facilities like fax and photocopying. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.